Welcome, my name is Xiaomi POCO M4 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So number one, you want to open up content that you want to obviously capture. So I'll be using settings as an example for this, and once it's open and visible, press and hold power key and volume down at the same time. This will give you this pop-up right here, so you can send the image or scroll it. Now, you don't actually have to do anything. The image was already captured, so if you just tap anywhere on the screen, it will disappear and you can find that image in your gallery. Now, if you want to, for instance, capture a scrollable screenshot like I just pressed, it will take you right here and it automatically starts slowly scrolling down, but you can tap on the screen to stop it and you can do it yourself, quicker and more precise. Once you have scrolled down however far down you want to go, click on Done, select Allow, and tap on the checkbox to save it. And that image can now be found in your gallery application. Now, keep in mind that when capturing a scrollable screenshot on top of the normal one that you have captured, it will override the normal one with a scrollable one, as you can see right here. So there we go. That is how you could capture your screenshot and also where you can find it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.